I'll quickly show how to remove a rear door applique trim on a Dodge Nitro, as well as some helpful tips on how to neatly install it.
Actually quite easy to do. You can see it's right here, the piece of it. A little hard to see with the sun being so bright, but anyway, grab a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver, and you can put some tape around here as to not damage the paint. Okay. And okay, that popped up. There's 3 clips in here. 1, 2, 3. So I just popped up one of them. Here's the other one. There we go. Okay, now you can open the door and pull this out. Very, very simple to do. Just to remove the rear door applique trim. This is the part, and these are the 3 clips, as you can see. And to reinstall it, what I would suggest is to clean this, both sides, doesn't hurt. And you can put some double-sided tape here if you want.
Or you could put the double-sided tape on the trim piece. Then you can
place this right here to the side. Line it up where it needs to go. Push that in. I'll need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Okay, I pushed it in and I just folded this back a little bit. And now, pretty simple. Close the door and just go ahead and use your fist. This in. And the last thing to do is to get this flap inside. So grab a flathead and then just, or a pry bar, and just peel this back a little bit. Everywhere. There we go. Put your finger through here. Okay, beautiful. Boom. Nice. It is now complete. Looks really good. If this video helped, please tap the like button and subscribe. Check out the other helpful videos of myself removing the front door and rear door applique trim on other vehicles. Put some links in the description. I'll put all the supplies I used in the description.
Also, please mention your thoughts about this video in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day or night.